All right, our next question comes from Bodie this afternoon. He asks, I am having some trouble advocating for myself in the workplace. I'm hoping to move to an earlier shift after a year of the closing shift. It's based on performance, which I have excelled at. When asked, my supervisor said it isn't a priority. Well, how do I make it a priority?
Yes, well, since Bodie has already spoken with his supervisor or supervisors, the next step would be talking with the Human Resources Department and informing them of his concern while showing evidence of his excellent performance. Go ahead and ask for suggestions for example, a mentor, someone who can assist or coach with communication style, helping you to be more assertive, be more persuasive. In this way, the human resources professionals will know about your concern and be more committed to making sure that you realize your objective and goal.
All right, certainly some great advice for us this afternoon. Brenda, thank you so much for joining us on the show. And if you have a question that you would like for us to consider for next week, send us an email to therapythursday@griffin.news.